Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download the Credit Karma app for credit monitoring, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin downloading the Credit Karma app, unlock your mobile device. Navigate to your device's App Store. If you are using an iPhone, open the App Store. If you have an Android phone, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar of the App Store, type Credit Karma. Press the search icon to initiate the search. Look for the official Credit Karma app in the search results. Ensure that the app is developed by Credit Karma Incorporated. Tap on the app to view its details. Next, locate the download or install button. Tap the button to start the downloading process. Once the app finishes downloading, it will automatically install on your device. After installation, you can find the Credit Karma app on your home screen or app drawer. Tap on the app icon to open it. Upon opening, you will be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you are a new user, select the option to create a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the account setup. Provide the required information such as your name, email address, and password. Once your account is verified, you can begin using the app to monitor your credit. Explore the features available within the app for insights on your credit score and financial health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.